Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make some no-sew scrunchies. Yep, that's right, you don't even need to know how to sew to make these scrunchies. It's a really simple project and you only need a few supplies to make them. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make these no-sew scrunchies. First, we are going to cut our fabric to the right dimensions. We are using a bandana because it's already pre-cut and is the exact size that we need. So you want it to be about 21 inches long, which is already how long the bandana already is, and then 4.5 inches thick. And you will then cut your fabric to that size. Flip over your fabric and cut off any tags if there are any on the back. On the end of the fabric, apply some hot glue and then fold over the edge of the fabric. This just helps to create a finished edge. You will then do the same thing on the other side. Flip your fabric back over so that the front of it is facing you. Work in sections and start hot gluing at the top of the fabric and then folding it in half, and just continue to work your way until the whole fabric is completely folded in half and glued together. Grab a safety pin and attach it to the end of the fabric. Put the safety pin in the tube of fabric and work your way to bring it to the other side of the fabric, and then you will turn your fabric right side out. Cut a 10-inch piece of elastic and attach it to the safety pin. And then on the other side of the elastic, you will attach another safety pin. Move the safety pin down through the tube of fabric, and as you do this, you will be pulling the elastic through so that the elastic comes through on the other side. Carefully remove the safety pins from both ends of the elastic and then tie the elastic together. You want to at least double knot it. Cut off any additional elastic and then take one of the ends of the fabric and tuck it into the other. And then you will grab some hot glue and you will hot glue the end of the fabric from the inside. Now your scrunchie is ready to wear. You have the basics and know how to make a scrunchie, and now you can play with fabric and size and make all sorts of fun scrunchies. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make these no-sew scrunchies at craftsdirect.com/projects.